Hello and welcome to Sailing Elsie. My name is Seth and I aim to earn your subscription today. I don't get a whole lot of comments on my videos yet. Anyway, if you go back a video or two when I was talking about welding the mount for the wind turbine onto the pole, one of my friends commented, "Hey, I have a welder," and the light bulb went off. So today we're going to my friend Adam's house and we're going to weld up the frames for the solar panels. So let's get to it. So for those of you who don't know, and that's everybody, this is my good friend Adam.
How you doing?
Adam is the guy. So we have got this tacked together and we just did a test fit of the panel, and it has just the right amount of extra space, just a wee bit there, all sides. It looks pretty good, nice and even all the way down. So we've done a good job at getting it square. Looks good. Go ahead. I think that's it.
That is it.
All right, so we've got the frames back on the boat, but we did not have enough time to replace this frame here. So this one has to come down. I don't know if I can get a good angle on that. There we go. So that square portion needs to come down, and then we're going to put up the two larger ones up there. A little bit of work that needs to be done to do that. And end up cutting the tops of these poles off level with this. We'll probably have to move these supports because they will go a little further out here, and then these ones will probably end up needing to be moved out forward this way. So all of these supports are going to have to be moved. So it's probably going to be at least a day to get those done. And he won't be available for another week or two. So project on hold. All right, this is something else that's pretty cool. These USB cords, the two of them, one goes to the charger, the other one goes to this shunt down here, which measures the flow of electricity into and out of the batteries. So the USB goes to this Raspberry Pi, which is basically just a little tiny computer. This is kind of a rare version that has a built-in keyboard, but usually the things are just tiny, like the size of a wallet. Anyway, this has been set up to upload all of the... Here, let me switch you guys around. Alright, so this has been set up so that it uploads all of the electrical information and I can access it from my phone anywhere. So it uploads it to the internet or whatever, however that works. And I'll put a link in the description. I think it'll work where you can just click on it and see where my battery stuff is at. If you're interested, it is kind of interesting to me. Anyway, let's see what else I can talk about.
No chlorine stained white, no sagging straps or fading in the light, no sandy bottoms or tangled seaweed strands, just effortless glamour between the sea and sand. From ruffled one pieces to sporty tankini, string bikinis, oh so tiny, they all have their moment, their time in the sun. But mine's forever stylish, second to none. Born in a swimsuit, woven from the sea, perfectly fitted just for me. Never fades, never frays, always feels brand new. A splash of magic, shimmering and true. So while you're searching, trying on each style, I'll be swimming with a carefree smile. No need to worry, no need to adjust. My perfect swimsuit, built on ocean trust. Born in a swimsuit, woven from the sea, perfectly fitted just for me.
I don't know about you guys, but every once in a while there's a product that I try to set it up and it's just not going well. Everything nowadays is so intuitive. I mean, everything just sets up easy. This little booger, I just kept thinking, this gotta be easier. I must be dumb. I must need some sleep. I don't know what it was, but it took me hours setting this booger up, and I want to write a review on this for sure. Anyway, it is the new batteries. The new batteries are hooked up and they're working. And something really interesting about these. So I took out the two regular style batteries. This one's not hooked up anymore. Just these new ones have over 3 times the storage, usable storage, that all 3 of the other ones had. So I'm doing all right in the power department for now. I did order some more batteries that should be here in a few weeks. Going into winter when the sunshine may not be reliable and the days are shorter, I think I might need a little more storage, so I went ahead and ordered a couple more. Anyway, cool. So this is kind of temporary. I just wanted to do this to get it set up, get the solar stuff working on it, and then I'll slowly piece together everything and do it really nice. And I'll show you where I'm going to put it. Hang on. So this wall here looks, I'll show you where it is. Hang on. It's a disaster in here. So here's where we come in, and then here's the room that had the washer machine in it. Anyway, this wall here appears as though it was set up with the water maker. So I think I might end up doing a water maker on this side, but some electrical stuff on this side. And I know that doesn't make any sense, but I'll figure it out. Maybe I'll put water maker stuff somewhere else. I know, and I know that a lot of you know, especially guys, that when it comes to buying new tools, nearly any excuse is a good excuse. And I get that, and I just want to acknowledge my friend Adam. He went out and spent some money, probably $500, $600, $700 on some new tools and supplies to help me out with my project. And Adam, I really deeply appreciate it. Thank you very much. And I really enjoyed the opportunity to hang out and work on our project with you. And for the rest of you, thank you so much for being a viewer and a subscriber. Until next time.
Salt and sun.